Hello, I'm Antoneya Banks-Graves, and today I would like to share with you some information about food sustainability. The terms sustainable and sustainability are used to describe many different approaches toward improving our way of life. Sustainability is more than just being green. It can mean many different things to different people, but it basically is a way of conducting business that serves the needs of the community and of the planet. Did you know that sustainability can encompass the following? Climate change, energy, food production, water scarcity, biodiversity, changing demographics, geopolitical instability. Have you ever asked yourself the question about what are some things that you can do to achieve or maintain sustainability? I'd like to share some things we all can do to accomplish a sustainable living. We can do this by reducing our harm on the environment and ultimately reversing the harm we have already caused. Reviewing resources equal to or greater than they are consumed, living within the resources of the planet without damaging the environment now or in the future, creating an economic system that provides for quality of life while renewing the environment and its resources, creating a world where everyone can have fulfilling lives and enjoy a rich level of well-being within the limits of what nature can provide. Also, by taking the long-term view of how our actions affect future generations and making sure we don't deplete resources or cause pollution at rates faster than the earth is able to renew them. Sustainable agriculture is the production of food, plant, or animal products using farming techniques that protect the environment, public health, human communities, and animal welfare. A food system's sustainability is influenced by natural and human factors. These factors interact with each other within a food system. For example, the availability of water and land for food production is influenced by human actions, while human choices are influenced by environmental conditions. One may ask, why is food sustainability important? Sustainable farming focuses on raising food that is healthy for consumers. Industrially raised food is grown with many pesticides, chemicals, and processes with additives and preservatives. Let's segue into the idea of insects as a food source. It may seem unpalatable to eat insects such as caterpillars, crickets, grasshoppers, or silkworms, but these insects can be a key source of protein in our food selection as an important sustainable idea. The idea of eating insects may make your skin crawl, but they have been eaten by people for thousands of years. The farming of insects like crickets has increased in countries such as Thailand, South Africa, India, and Kenya. Why would we want to eat insects or consider eating insects? They are inexpensive, nutritious, and many supporters state that they're delicious. There are over 2,100 edible insects which offer a variety for preparing food. The edible insects contain protein, amino acids, vitamins, calcium, zinc, and iron. Here's something to think about. 100 grams of beef contains approximately 22 to 29 grams of protein. However, 21 grams of fat. In comparison, 100 grams of grasshopper contains 20 grams of protein and 6 grams of fat. Insects can survive on organic waste, allowing farmers to cut back on growing the grain used in animal feed, which requires a lot of energy and water resources. Insects require less food than raising beef. For instance, insects consume 2 pounds of feed to produce 1 pound of meat, and cattle requires 8 pounds of feed to generate 1 pound of beef. In conclusion, by the year 2050, the world's population is expected to reach 9 billion. With a growing population demanding consumers and limited amount of agricultural land, we will have an urgent need to find food alternatives.